Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of the Nutcracker Ballet. Ever wondered why it's such a holiday staple?
Absolutely. It's amazing how every winter theaters fill up with families watching the Nutcracker. What do you think makes it so timeless?
For me, it's the combination of Tchaikovsky's music and the whimsical story. The melodies are instantly recognizable, right?
Definitely. Who can forget the dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy? It sticks in your head for days. But the story itself is pretty magical too.
True. Clara's journey from her living room to the land of sweets feels like a dream. Do you remember the first time you saw it performed live?
Yes, I was about 7. The costumes, the snowflakes, and the giant growing Christmas tree, it felt like stepping into another world.
That's the beauty of ballet, isn't it? The way it transports you. But I also think the Nutcracker's popularity is tied to tradition. It's almost like decorating a tree. You just do it every year.
Exactly. And each production brings something new. Some companies add unique characters or set designs. Have you seen any creative interpretations?
I have. One version set the story in 1920s Paris. It was fascinating to see how the classic tale adapted to a different era, yet the core magic stayed.
Speaking of magic, do you think the ballet resonates differently for adults and kids?
I do. Kids get swept up in the fantasy, while adults might appreciate the choreography and music more. Though honestly, everyone loves the Mouse King battle.
Oh, the Mouse King! He always steals the show when he appears. Why do you think audiences never tire of these familiar scenes?
Maybe it's the nostalgia. We all crave a bit of wonder, especially during the holidays. The Nutcracker delivers that year after year.
And it's a great introduction to ballet for kids. The story is easy to follow, and the music is captivating. No wonder so many people make it their first ballet experience.
Right. Plus, the dancers' athleticism is incredible. Some of those jumps in the Russian dance are jaw-dropping.
Agreed. It's like watching athletes and artists combined. I always leave the theater wanting to twirl, even if I trip over my own feet.
Same here. And every time I hear the overture, I feel instantly festive. Do you think the Nutcracker will always be a holiday favorite?
I think so. As long as there are holidays and families, there'll be nutcrackers. It's woven into the season itself.
Maybe that's the real magic. It brings people together, year after year. Before we wrap up, what's your favorite scene?
The waltz of the flowers. It's just so elegant and joyful. What about you?
The snow scene, hands down. The falling snow, the swirling dancers. It's mesmerizing.
A perfect pick. For listeners, what's your favorite Nutcracker moment? Maybe it's time to revisit the ballet this season.
Thanks for joining us as we explored the Nutcracker. Until next time, keep a little magic in your step.